Hello guys, now we are going to see about Google Cloud Datalab. We know that we know about the Jupyter, Google Colab, everything. Same like that, they have the another version like we are using Jupyter inside the Google Cloud platform. We can feel same like that. That we can create the code using Python and share with anyone and get the result same like Jupyter, what we use in the our system, we just use it in the Google Cloud platform. So Google Cloud Data Lab is a Jupyter notebook environment totally that makes it easy to explore, visualize, analyze, and transform data using familiar language such as Python, SQL. We can connect Data Lab, Jupyter with BigQuery also to get the data for our ML training, pre-processing, this create deployment and anything. Okay, it is a web-based tool like run in the Google Cloud platform. It have number of features. A pre-installed library notebook that demonstrate how to use developed to analyze data from variety of sources. So we can connect data lab with many sources such as Google BigQuery, Google Analytics, Google Storage. So its ability to run Python and SQL code for interactive. We can analyze the data and use for our visualization and create the model based on that. We can create more charts and graph that. It's a free tool, but it's no charge if we are using inside the Google Cloud platform. The benefit is easy to use. It's very easy to use. Even if we are not if we don't have experience in the Jupyter notebook, also we can use the data lab very easily. Our data will not be lost anywhere. It will give the powerful analytics chart also using Python and the SQL code. As I said, is a web-based tool. Totally is connected using the internet. We will not lose the data even if our system will be total damage. Overall, the Google Cloud Data Lab is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to analyze data from a variety of sources and used for our visualization and model creation or anything. It is a good choice for the user who are looking for simple and easy to use. Thank you.